Such a bright. Well, it look like rain was falling outside, so babe. Look like rain was falling outside.
Rain was falling.
Look that way.
Oh, it's cloudy. Breakfast time.
It's breakfast time, guys. Woo! No, rain wasn't falling, just early. It's just too early, guys.
What?
It's about to be 8 and no sun up yet. That means rain gonna fall then. Babe, we should go play ball. Let's go play catch. Your father and son playing ball, babe. You want to go play ball with them? Want to go play ball? No? What you doing? You packing up?
Yeah.
Woke up and we're about to grab some breakfast, hang out a little bit and then head back to Kingston. We're not gonna be here for a very long time. This trip is very windy outside, man.
Remember when we were leaving Kingston, how it was gloomy yesterday?
Yeah. But Kingston, even when it's gloomy, it's still warm. Still warm. Ready? Breakfast?
Ready to eat. Ready to rumble. Ready.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna grab the keys. You have to pick up the key? Yeah. So babe, you just what time plan to leave? Because I want to get back.
What time is it
I
now?
want to get back to check out some stuff.
What stuff?
No man, I want to go there. I want to fix the pool now. Pool been done for a while now. I finally want to get it done. Yeah, that's one.
Where's the deodorant?
Deodorant here. Deodorant here, so. People always asking us for Amik when we go on the road. Guys, Amik is not the best person to take on the road. Amik is very, very frisky. Amik loves to run, loves open space, loves to run all over the place, and it's very risky to bring Amik anywhere outside of the house. This one time when we took Amik to walk around the hill, that was very scary. When I took Amik around the hill.
And it's not, I always will see people being, you guys need to control Amik, and we don't let Amik run.
Anybody who said that don't have no kids.
You have to remember when the child is 2 and they still don't fully grasp what you're saying, this stuff happens.
No, but my thing is, any one of you guys who keep saying control this, control that, you don't have no kids. There's no way you have a boy, baby, or ever.
No, but every child is different as well.
Well,
when you have a very active child compared to when I'm just looking at different types of parenting, what worked for you won't work for me because our children are different. So we can't group them in the same category. So
some kids talk from them at 1.
Yeah.
Some wait till some talk all 3 years old.
Oh, whereas
some
now
kids walk late.
I'm raising kids in a pandemic. So it's much harder. They're not used to socializing and stuff. So when they go outside, it's kind of like, oh, what is this? And
some kids potty train early. I wish Amik would just learn the thing, but patience guys. I love patience with him. As you guys might see so far, I have a lot of patience with Amik. A lot of patience. So we'll keep having patience with him. If him take long to do it, so be it. It's not going to hurt. It's just going to take a while. But Amik is very smart and he's learning, very quickly. So
we're proud of consistency, both at home and at school. If we do it at home and he goes back to school and he's in pull-ups, then it's confusing him as well. So.
Lisha is doing an ear routine.
That's legit.
What about mine?
That's the name of the product I have been using in my hair. It's called The Hair Routine. I'll put the info in the description. anybody one that has natural hair. It doesn't necessarily have to be curly hair. Anybody natural hair, you can use it. It's all vegan, cruelty-free products, and
So, again,
has a set and everything. So
again, I'm asking, what about my hair? Where I need some vegan stuff.
guys, look at length. Look at the length of my hair. So get with it. Get with it.
You need to see the length of my hair. You need to look at Alicia is wearing that. That's actually a dress, but I don't know how women wear dress that short. Alicia can't wear those stuff. Alicia don't like to wear since she had Amik, she don't like to wear like crop tops and all that stuff anymore. And she turned herself into a mother. Turn herself into a mom.
I mean, no, everything's moderation, but
but like the dress, like the dress, that's way too short. There's no way I would even let her wear that anyway. That dress, I don't want to see nothing wear the butt cheeks out at the door. I don't want to see any of that. Butt cheeks outside and blap blap blap. No, not upon that. Leave that for the bedroom.
Ah. Guys, this is the product.
I know they're not paying us to do it. We just like to show you guys what we use.
Ready? Which one? Pink one first? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You dropped it? Why you dropped it? Alright, blue one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Good job! Thank you. Next one now.
What?
Pink. Ready? 1, 2. You can't put your head down so fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pink. Good job. We have 3 more. Ta. Thank you. Ready? Look, we have yellow, blue, yellow, green, and red. You can get all of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! All right, we got yellow.
Yeah.
Green and red left. Red? 1, 2, 3, go! Grab it! You missed it.
No man.
Ready again? Ready? Red? 1, 2, 3, go! This one's far. It's okay, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Green? Green? Ready? 1, 2, 3, green. Grab it, Meek! It's okay. It's right there. Which one? Green or red? Red? Last 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Good job. So we can put up the red one. Put up the red one and then we go for the last one. Helicopter. Thank you.
Have you changed already or still you have it? Your clothes wet and then
Selena,
Yes, wait.
here's a business. I'm telling Selena she should register, and then eventually you just hire like 2 people, and then you.
It's just to
train
find
them.
people who want to do
That.
So we're back home, guys. We are back home.
But in that world, you don't know
And-
anyone that.
Where is that boy?
Are they on
What's
the
up?
knees? And you pull them, and you pull them, and you pull them away. Icky, sicky, 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 bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum. Icky, sicky, 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 bubble gum.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Bus. Hello, Mr. Bus. It's a train. It's a choo 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 choo. It's a choo choo.
Choo-choo train.
It's a choo choo. Say dada. Dada. Dada, why you guys eating?
That's cheating.
What's going on with the wall right here?
That's what I just said right now.
What's going on the wall right here?
I mean,
That's what I just said right now. When did this even happen? And how?
it just happened. Even like create something.
Mommy, you allow this to happen?
They was sitting here watching breaks.
Wow. Azap, you allow your brother to do this?
And I created, so I don't know if
Yeah, Azap? Did Amit do that? Did Amit do it?
Boy,
Tell
wants
me.
to snitch.
Tell me. Tell me.
I mean, Azap, no snitching.
Your brother did that. Oh gosh, so I will pay that over.
It's brown.
Hmm?
Crayon.
I mean, I don't know if you can wipe off. Probably can wipe off. Azap, you must tell your brother, no, no, no. Say no, 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 no. No.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, use the all-purpose, spray the all-purpose clean on it.
Oh, I need to pick some. I need to come pick some for my hair and my skin.
Aloe vera.
Looks like we brought this weather from Montego Bay.
You brought this weather from Montego Bay, not me. You're going to grab all of them?
Which one you're grabbing? This one?
Give me this one. This box. You can grab the diapers. Oh, you have a baby in the house?
You do.
You. You have a baby. I didn't ask. I didn't ask to date anybody with babies.
You're the one hatching my eggs.
I'm not hatching no eggs.
Egg hatcher.
I didn't ask for anybody with babies.
Wait, babe. That got caught on you. I thought it poked you.
Oh,
See it?
Alicia calling me the egg hatcher.
Yes, you are.
I
You're a
have,
real
I,
big
have,
man.
I have nothing to do with the eggs.
What?
You keep your eggs away from me. That's all you do. Something in the packages, buddy? Huh? Did you order something?
He's interested in chocolate right now.
So you bought you
Why
bought
is the chocolate showing me?
chocolate, candy, candy. So where you get these? Get these from London. London town. What's up, buddy? What's up? Come here. Come talk to me. Come talk to me.
Stop breaking him neck.
Come talk to me.
Girl, stop.
What's up?
Look, stop.
What's up?
Stop.
How's up looking?
Like, jealous, you know.
Where you going, buddy?
Stop.
How's up?
I can't. Love, love, love.
Right?
Ooh, candy.
Honey.
Candy. Not all of them. Leave some for me now. I want some. Give me the yellow one. Can I have a yellow one? Jesus, man, take everything. Can I have some? When your teeth rotten, you go to Auntie Sharon? When you get rotten teeth, you go to Auntie Sharon? One more?
What's in your hand?
No, eat that first, buddy. Hey, eat that first. Eat that first.
Your phone. Probably the gas.
Alright, who's phone ringing?
Hi. We're not gonna fly.
Are you a butterfly? What are you doing? What is it? What is stress out about? You stuck? What happened?
Airplane? Your airplane now? Butterfly, your airplane. Ray, take in the box. Take it to the room. Coming for a toy. It's either. Are you teething? Yes, it's purple grapes, but it's not your purple grape. It's for your purple. Your purple grapes. Purple grapes. It's not. It's not candy. It's not candy. Purple grapes.
You have some?
That's where you came from. Bless you. Fake sneezing now. Bless you.
Let's do fixing.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
And then, boy, what I can bring now? The candle?
No, feed him.
Feed him?
I'm trying to feed him.
Hey, buddy. Eating food? Eating some dinner, buddy? Mama broke your food? Mama broke the food, buddy? What you looking at? What you doing? Very good. Hey,
Nice glasses.
what's up?
Some baby food. You like it?
Car. You love cars too, buddy? So, none of them don't love anything else but cars. What do you think about that?
Well, they're boys, so. Maybe I have to like superheroes.
Hey. Choose a Batman car.
Yep.
Cool kid.
It's an airplane.
Cool kid. What's up?
Brian also airplane.
What's up, cool kid? Alright guys, Alicia is about to cook some fish and we're gonna eat some food, some seafood.
The fact that you actually said I'm cooking and not you. Wow, bravo.
Come on, I always tell the truth. I always tell the truth. When I'm cooking, I say I'm cooking. When you're cooking,
That's up, don't make yourself throw up.
hey buddy. Yeah. So yeah guys, always tell the truth. But anyways guys, see you guys in the next video.